Alright, here we go. Number 7, 8, 9, and 10. Solve by taking a square root. Well, again, solve by taking a square root in order to get rid of that. But to do that, we got to get down to just the x squared to get rid of everything else. So I'll add the 9. So 2x squared equals 23 plus 9 is 32. Okay, divide by 2, x squared equals, is that right? 32? Yep, 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. If I take the square root of both sides, I get x squared equals plus or minus 4. Easy peasy chicken greasy. Number 8, same idea. Move everything over, take the square root. If I were you, I'd give it a shot. But if you're not so bold, here we go. 1/3 x squared. We'll move the 10. So equals 14 plus 10 is 24. Okay. To get rid of the fraction, remember, you just flip it and multiply. So those cancel out. X squared equals 24 times 3. Well, 25 times 3 is 75. Minus 3 will be 72. Okay? Which you can't take the square root of. But, at least not evenly. So we're going to go x squared equals plus or minus, and then let's go over here and do the 72 real quick. 72, well, it's not divisible by 8 times 8 is 64, no. 9 times 9 is 70, 7 times 7 is 49, no. 6 times 6 is 36. Yeah, that goes into it. That's 36 times 2. Bring out the 36, that's 6 on the square root of 2. So x squared equals plus or minus 6 times the square root of 2. And there you go. Cool. Let's move the screen. Give me a second. Alright, 9 and 10, same deal. But this time you got a binomial in there that's being squared. So instead of getting down to just the x, you got to get down to this section before you square it. Okay? So, move it, there you go. Divide by 3, so that's x plus 4 squared equals 108 divided by 3, that's 30. 18 divided by 3 is 6, so that's 36. Oh, how nice. If I square root both sides, yoink, yoink, I get x plus 4 equals plus or minus 6. Move the 4 over, x equals negative 4 plus or minus 6, and then do it twice. Remember, we got to do it once with the positive and once with the negative. You don't have to show this part in orange, it's just that, but that's what's going on. Alright, so negative 4 plus 6 is 2, negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10. And those are your answers. Right. Number 10, same way. Give number 10 a shot on your own. But here we go. Yeah, again, we got to solve down to this binomial. If I move the 10 over, I get x minus 5 squared equals negative 9. Okay, square root both sides. Oops. I get x minus 5 equals, square root of 9 is 3, but that negative makes it an I, plus or minus 3i. Last but not least, move the 5 over, so that's positive 5 plus or minus 3i. And because that is not a whole number, I cannot combine them. That is your answer. Cool? Done.